SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to add the emoji keyboard to the iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've opened up an app like Messages or Notes and attempted to include emojis in what you were typing, but you weren't able to do so, then it's likely that you don't have the emoji keyboard installed. Fortunately, you can install the emoji keyboard by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and choose Keyboard here. Now you just need to select the Keyboards option at the top of the screen. Now you can choose the Add New Keyboard button, which should be listed under the current keyboards that you've already installed. And then depending on whether or not you've had it there before, you might see it up in the top section. But if not, you can just scroll down through the list of keyboards until you find the emoji option. And once you see that, then you can tap on it to install it on your phone. Once it's listed under your other keyboards that have been installed on your phone, you can simply open up an app that uses the keyboard, such as Notes, and then you can bring up the keyboard. And now you can see that the emoji icon appears at the bottom left. So if you select that, then you'll be able to navigate through here and start selecting emojis to add them to a text message or a note or whatever you wanted to add them to.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.